Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw from TikTok Shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok Shop account, which of course I have done right here. How can you create an account on TikTok Shop? Launch on a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tiktokshop.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website. In there, follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your account. Once your account has been verified, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in TikTok Shop. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to withdraw from TikTok Shop. Check the left corner of your screen from your homepage, and you're going to see Orders, Products, Marketing, Affiliate, Live and Video, Growth Center, Analytics, Account Health, and Finance. Once your shop has been set up, go ahead and click on Finance. Click on Statements. So over here, once your account has been set up, you should see an option for you to withdraw money. Okay, so click on Withdraw Money. Then once you click on Withdraw Money, go ahead and click on the Withdraw Money button you're going to find. Then after clicking on the Withdraw Money button you're going to find, it's going to take you to a window where you can now enter your withdrawal amount, then select your money withdrawal method and add withdrawal method, and then select Continue and select Confirm. So let's go over the process again. Head over to Finance. In here, you should see an option for you to withdraw money. Select Withdraw Money and then select the Withdraw Money button. After doing that, you're going to be led to a window where you can now enter the money withdrawal amount and select the money withdrawal method, then add withdrawal method, then click on Continue and click on Confirm and follow through with the prompts from there to withdraw your money. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.